Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question is from binomial distribution. Determine the binomial distribution for which mean equals to 4 and variance equals to 3. Hence find the mode of the distribution. Suppose x is a random variable which follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. Say x is a random variable which follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. Symbolically it can be written as x follows binomial distribution with n comma p. What is n? N is the number of trials, p is the probability of success. N is number of trials, n is number of trials, p is probability of success, where p lies between 0 and 1, and 1 minus p, this is q, denoted by q, is probability of failure. Probability of failure. Therefore, q also lies between 0 and 1. Now, mean of a binomial distribution, this is np, which is given as 4, and variance of a binomial distribution is npq, which is given as 3. Therefore, npq by np equals to 3 by 4. This implies q equals to 3 by 4. np get cancelled and q equals to 3 by 4. Therefore, p equals to 1 minus q, which is equals to 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4, and np, that is n into 1 by 4 equals to 4. Therefore, n equals to 16. P equals to 1 by 4. Therefore, the PMF, the probability mass function of the binomial distribution, is the PMF, probability mass function of binomial distribution, is f of x equals to n is 16 cx, 16 cx p, that is 1 by 4 to the power x, into q, q is 3 by 4 whole to the power 16 minus x, where x is running from 0, 1 to dot 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 16 and 0 elsewhere. This is the probability distribution of this binomial distribution. This is the binomial distribution, that is f of x equals to 16 cx, 1 by 4 to the power x, and p by 3 by 4 to the power 16 minus x. This is the answer of the first part. Determine the binomial distribution. Now we do the mode of the distribution. Mode of the distribution. Now, 1 plus n into p, 1 plus n into p equals to 1 plus 16 into 1 by 4. This is 17 by 4, not an integer. Not an integer. 1 plus n into p equals to 17 by 4. This is 4.25. Therefore, this distribution, this binomial distribution has two modes. Therefore, this distribution has two modes. Bimodal distribution, and 4 lies between 4.25 lies between 4 and 5. These are the two integers. Therefore, the binomial distribution has two modes, 4 and 5. The distribution has two modes, 4 and 5. This is the answer of this second part. The PMF of binomial distribution is this. This is the answer of the first part, and the mode of the binomial distribution is 4 and 5. This is the answer of the second part. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.